Controversial blogger Musakaula has once again stirred up social media after making explosive allegations about actress Khanya Mkanyisa and her relationship with her baby daddy Desmond Williams. The actress, who was previously reported to be engaged after keeping her pregnancy private for months, is now trending after Musa claimed that their relationship allegedly ended in tears, further alleging that Desmond cheated on her and dragging other well-known names into the drama, including Tshepi Vundla, Naomi Phakathi, and musician Jay Ara, with claims of past relationship hustling and broken friendships resurfacing. However, these allegations remain unverified, and Mzansi was left confused as many social media users questioned how the story shifted between so many people, with some even saying they forgot the original post was about Khanya in the first place. Thanks a lot for watching this video until the end. Please do consider leaving your comments down below in the comment section, and don't forget to like, subscribe, share this video as well, and I will see you on my next upload.